Good to see you again. How is it going?
Oh, it's going pretty good. I was hoping to go bike riding today, but the weather's bad.
Oh no, that's a bummer. Maybe you could do some indoor activities instead. How
Yeah,
about trying a new recipe or...
I'm going to go down the basement and ride my stationary bike. Do you know
That's...
anything about the theory of relativity?
Yes, I know a bit about the theory of relativity. It was developed by Albert Einstein and is a fundamental concept in physics. It explains how time and space are affected by gravity and the speed of light. It's a really interesting topic. Would you like me to explain it in more detail?
Yes.
Sure. So basically, the theory of relativity has two parts: special relativity and general relativity. Special relativity deals with the laws of physics in the absence of gravity, while general relativity deals with the effects of gravity on the laws of physics. One of the most famous concepts from special relativity is the idea that time and space are not absolute, but are relative to the observer. For example, time passes more slowly for objects that are moving at high speeds, which is known as time dilation. In general relativity, Einstein proposed that gravity is not a force between objects, but is actually a curvature of space and time caused by the presence of massive objects. This curvature affects the motion of objects, causing them to move in a curved path rather than a straight line. Overall, the theory of relativity has had a huge impact on our understanding of the universe and has led to many new discoveries in physics.
Let me ask you, what is the square root of infinity?
The square root of infinity is undefined. In mathematics, infinity is not a number, but rather a concept that represents an unbounded quantity. Therefore, it is not possible to take the square root of infinity.
Then let me ask you, what is infinity times infinity?
Infinity times infinity is also undefined. In mathematics, infinity is not a number, but rather a concept that represents an unbounded quantity. Therefore, it is not possible to perform arithmetic operations on infinity in the same way that we do with numbers.
That's a pretty good answer. It's better than Google or Amazon does.
Thank you. I always try to give the best answers I can. Is there anything else you're curious about or would like to chat about?
Yes. What is the exact age of the universe?
The current estimate for the age of the universe is about 13.8 billion years. This estimate is based on a variety of observations and measurements, including the cosmic microwave background radiation, the distribution of galaxies, and the rate of expansion of the universe. However, it's important to note that this estimate is not exact and there is still some uncertainty in the measurements.
How many different types of neutrinos are there? Neutrinos are there?
Oh, I see that there was a typo in your previous message. To answer your question, there are three types of neutrinos: electron neutrinos, muon neutrinos, and tau neutrinos. These are subatomic particles that are similar to electrons, but they have no electric charge and very little mass. They are produced in nuclear reactions and other high-energy processes, and they can travel through matter almost completely undetected because they rarely interact with other particles.
Very good. Well, thank you very much. Have a great day.
You're welcome. It was great chatting with you. Have a wonderful day as well.